All right, technology pioneers, gather round. Because we're not just observing the future from afar, we are building it, living it, breathing it. We are at the dawn of an era where artificial intelligence is not merely a tool, it's a pervasive presence, rapidly transforming every aspect of our lives. Think about it. From precision surgery that guides a robotic arm with superhuman steadiness, to smart systems that manage entire city infrastructures, to the personalized education platforms tailoring learning to your unique pace, AI is integrated into the very fabric of our daily existence. It's enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness across specialties you might not even consider, like cardiology, ophthalmology, and dermatology, by improving diagnostic accuracy and treatment personalization. This incredible force is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was ever possible. But here's the profound paradox, the unexpected twist in this technological saga. Our smart machines aren't always so smart. Despite all the dazzling breakthroughs and the endless hype, AI makes mistakes, and it happens far more often than most people think. We're not just talking about minor, isolated glitches here. Picture this. Recent, startling studies have revealed that 23% of AI responses actually contain inaccurate information. That's almost 1 in 4. And if we're talking about automated decisions, those made by AI without human intervention, a staggering 31% of them need human correction. Think about that. Nearly a third of the time, a human has to step in, to fix, to adjust, to ultimately ensure the AI didn't just go off the rails. These aren't always grave errors. Sometimes they're silly mistakes that make us chuckle. You're browsing for safari tours, you type in Jaguar, and instead of majestic big cats, the AI triumphantly suggests a car dealership. Amusing, yes, but imagine those silly mistakes scaling up. What happens when that misinterpretation occurs in a high-stakes environment? Say, in a critical medical diagnostic setting, where an AI tool might mistake a request for symptoms as a call for treatment suggestions. That seemingly small confusion, the wrong search result, suddenly becomes a matter of life and death, chipping away at our fundamental trust. The core problem, you see, is that AI often misunderstands what we mean. It struggles deeply with the edges of meaning, especially with words that can point in multiple directions at once, or when it lacks the crucial context that we, as humans, effortlessly grasp. Large language models, the very brain of many AI chat systems, process each message as if it's completely new. In a human sense, they have no memory, just math. They work by predicting the next word based on the last, without truly remembering the thread of a conversation. This means if a chat gets long, you have to repeat context. You can't assume it's tracking the thread. It's a bit like talking to someone who wipes their memory clean after every single sentence. This fundamental challenge, the context gap, is the defining hurdle for next-generation AI. And then there's the even more profound, deeply human aspect, emotion. While AI systems have made tremendous strides, they consistently fall short in accurately interpreting and understanding human emotion. They can misread emotional cues, struggle with subtleties like sarcasm, humor, or irony, and often interpret statements literally. They lack the ability to truly understand the context in which emotions are expressed, missing the influence of personal experiences, cultural norms, and individual differences. Imagine an AI chatbot misinterpreting a person's frustration as anger, escalating a tense situation instead of providing the needed support. This misconstrued empathy can even lead to more serious consequences, as AI lacks the ability to truly comprehend the underlying reasons behind a person's emotion. These are not just theoretical concerns. Emotionally inaccurate AI can have significant consequences: impaired communication due to misinterpretations, inaccurate decision-making in critical sectors like healthcare, customer service, and law enforcement, misconstrued empathy, alienating individuals rather than supporting them, privacy concerns as AI analyzes vast amounts of personal emotional data, significant ethical questions about accountability when AI misreads emotions and causes harm. To address these limitations, researchers are working on developing more advanced algorithms, incorporating contextual information, and enhancing natural language processing. They are exploring new techniques like using multimodal data, combining facial expressions, body language, and speech patterns for richer understanding. But it requires ongoing research and development, continuous training with diverse data, and human feedback to correct misinterpretations. So, as we charge forward, integrating AI more deeply into our world, the crucial question isn't just about what AI can do, but what it can't and why. Because understanding these errors, these fundamental limitations, is the next great frontier for all of us. It's about pulling back the curtain on the AI illusion, appreciating its immense power, yet unmasking the inconvenient truth behind the hype, preparing ourselves for the complex reality of human-AI collaboration. And that, my brilliant students, is precisely what we're going to explore in this series.